Hey there, Shelly Loving here with Shelly Can Help. I am your go-to gal for all things healthier eating and cooking. I like to keep my teachings practical, simple, and yet still keep your food delicious. I believe if I can tell you the why behind the ingredients that I put in my recipes, you'll be more inclined to think of them the next time you go to the grocery store. Today we're going to talk about sweet potatoes. I used to not really incorporate sweet potatoes much in my recipes. I was always your go-to white potato girl for recipes. And white potatoes do spike our blood sugar, they're high in starch, and they just don't have the nutrient profile that sweet potatoes have. So now when I look at recipes, let's say I'm on Pinterest and I find a recipe that calls for a white potato, I just simply replace it with a sweet potato and it's delicious. Sweet potatoes are great because you can eat them sweet, you can eat them savory. So if you're making a mashed sweet potato, it doesn't have to be sweet. You can add salt and rosemary and garlic and they are delicious. My favorite way to prepare sweet potatoes is for breakfast. As a meal prepping tip, I will take 2 sweet potatoes every Monday, cut them in half, lay them down on a cookie sheet, rub them with a little bit of oil, put them in the oven for 400 for about 20 minutes. And then I just put them in a storage container and we eat half a sweet potato for breakfast along with like an avocado and some eggs. It's great, it's healthy, it's quick, it's delicious. It's an easy prep item that takes less than 5 minutes to prep. And they're packed with nutrients. So sweet potatoes have beta carotene in them. Beta carotene, not to get too sciencey on you, but I want to tell you so you understand. It turns to vitamin A in our body when we consume it. Vitamin A is essential to our eye health. In my past videos, I've talked about carrots and I've actually talked about beta carotene. It's very good for our eyes. And I know the old saying, carrots make your eyes pretty, beta carotene makes your eyes pretty, but it really is about your eye health. You know, when you get older, we want to try to postpone glaucoma, cataract as much as we can. So eating sweet potatoes is definitely going to give you a lot of amounts of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes have vitamin A and C, which actually helps you support and boost your immune system, which means they can help you stay healthy. Sweet potatoes also have potassium, which is really good for our muscle regeneration and muscle health as well. Different ways you can use sweet potatoes other than eating them by themselves for breakfast. You can roast them, cut them small and roast them. You can mash them. You can put them in soups. I love to make a sweet potato soup. You can boil them and then remove half of them. You know, of course, make your soup. Remove half of it, blend half of the soup, and then mix it back in with the chunks. And so you have a little bit of creamy and a little bit of chunky soup. It's delicious, super easy. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. People use their grill in the summer. You can grill your sweet potatoes. So you can either cut them into small chunks or you can cut them in half and grill them and get the beautiful grill marks on them. And they're also good in salads. So I would just give them a quick roast and then toss them in a wonderful, like a winter vegetable salad would be absolutely delicious. Either way, sweet potatoes are a staple in my pantry and I hope they become one in yours. Be sure to like and follow me for all things healthy eating and cooking.